Hi everyone, today topic is error correction by using of Humming code. Humming code is nothing but error correcting code and used to the data accuracy during the transmission for the storage. Humming code detecting purpose or correction purpose the errors that can be occur when the data is moved from one sender to receiver. A simply and effective method helps to the improve the reliability and communication system in the digital storage. And the extra bits will the original data allowing the system to detect and correction in the single bit error. This technique is developed by Richard Humming in 1950s. Here the types of parity will be the parity bits, even parity and odd parity. Parity bit is nothing but bit appended to the data of binary bits. Even priority, that is nothing but even number of ones we are checking for the even. So number here no, here occur number of ones, it will be the parity bit will be the 0. In odd parity, the number of ones is odd number, the parity bit will be 0. Here that determine the position of redundancy bit. So we have to calculate the redundancy bit. So the power, here the corresponding power we are taking, for example message will be taking 10110001. The number of data will be m is equal to 7. So redundancy bit we have to check the parity. So 2 to the power of r less than or equal to m plus r plus 1. Okay. So here the number of bits, 7 plus 4 is nothing but message bit. Okay. The redundancy places the position 1 and 2, 4, 8. So here we are checking for the, this is the redundant bits. First this is the, we have to take the total 11 bits. Here we are taking 3 redundant 4 and original message we have to give it. R priority we are giving taking as a first bit, and R2 is checking for the second bits, R4 is checking for the third bits, and R8 we are checking for the final 4 bits. Like that we have to do the redundancy. Finally with the checking we will get the this number of in the priority level we have to checking for the number of ones. In case of number of ones is even, it will be 0. The number of ones it will be getting 1. It will be getting the 1. Like that it will be the doing this problem.